this 3-part video series, we are going to set up a brand new Happy Planner for 2022. And then in video number 2, we are going to decorate that planner. And in video number 3, I will show you how to plan your week in the Happy Planner. If you are setting up a brand new planner for 2022, this series will be perfect for you. I'm going to give you as many tips and tricks as I can to get started with the Happy Planner for using it to get your life together in 2022. Hello, I'm Katie and welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. In this video, part 3 of our 3-part video series, how to start a new planner, we are going to be planning out your week in the 12-month Just Start Happy Planner. I'm going to show you my 4-step process for planning your week. I like to keep it detailed, step-by-step, and specific. So that's what we are doing. We are going to use the Power Plan system, plan, priorities lists, assignments, and notes to plan out your week. Let's get started. All right, let's get started planning your week using the Power Plan system. First, we're going to take the pages off the planner and put down this cutting mat. And if you have your Power Plan system checklist, you will see that the plan part of the checklist is an acronym, PLAN, for priorities, lists, assignments, and notes. So you will start off by getting clear on your priorities. And I'm not going to go into detail on that in this video, but I will link up another video in the cards for you to watch if you want to go into details on setting your priorities. But basically, I want you to think about what's most important to you to spend your time doing. And then you can list off the things that you need to plan in the week based on your priorities. I'm going to use a separate piece of paper just to show you, or just write it on this left-hand column in your planner. This is a great place to do it as well. Priorities, lists, assignments, and notes. All right, so I'm going to write a list of my to-dos for this week based on my priorities very quickly, and I'll speed it up so you don't have to wait for me to write. All right, so I'm going to keep it very simple, and I'm going to write in my plans for this week, some of my plans based on this list. And some of the things that we always need to put in are things like holiday, travel, vacation schedule, school schedule, work schedule, birthdays, and events. Don't forget those main things if they're not part of your regular priorities list. So we're just going to go ahead and add these things. We've decided our priorities, we wrote a list, and now we're going to assign them to the planner. This is important so that your time doesn't get away from you. And when you schedule your time to take care of your tasks as an appointment, you're a lot more likely to actually get it done. So that's why I like to assign things that are important to specific days and times. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pencil in, I know there's an appointment, I have a meeting Sunday, so I'm just gonna check this off and then put meeting. Then I have some travel, check that off. Travel here and here on Sunday. I'm gonna write it on this list here. Okay, holiday, we're gonna go ahead and write that in. All right, so let's check that off. Pay bills on the 1st, so I'm gonna put that on this important list. Pay bills, check. Usually do laundry on Monday, so let's put laundry here. Okay, check. Exercise, I put the walk in here. I probably won't do more than that this week, and I'll get back on my exercise schedule next week. Family time is going to be on the weekend, maybe Saturday. Gas for the car, I need to do that, and I need to go shopping. Maybe that will be tomorrow. Gas, car, and shopping. Check. All right, now that we have all of our assignments in there, I thought it'd be fun to go back to our essential planning functional sticker book and add in some of these. So like I'm planning for brunch Saturday. So let's put that in here. That'll be cute. This is a cute sticker. And this is how you can kind of make your planner cute. How about, yeah, I think I'm gonna do it this way. Shopping there. I don't have a nail appointment this week. Laundry. Ooh, water plants. I actually do need to do that. Probably today. I'm gonna put that down here to do tonight. I do have a little bit of a road trip, so I want to grab this cute little car, and I'm going to use this blue because it's an opposite color to our color palette that we're using here. So won't that be cute? Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh, let's grab one of these Celebrate stickers. There are some Celebrate stickers in here. Let's grab one of these. I'm gonna put that there. All right, I decided I want to move this road trip sticker. And sometimes your stickers will move for you. Sometimes they will not. You can use that undo if it's a paper sticker to help you move it. This one came off fine. It took a little bit of that color off of there, but not much. So I'm gonna move it over here. But I think we're good. We have a ton of stickers over there. I feel like we need some more on this side. So let's see. Ooh, a packing list. That would be super helpful. So that's a way that you can use this left-hand column. This says this week's list, and I'm going to add this little packing list sticker. Ooh, I like these little plan on it. It's a plan. That's cool. I'm going to put that here. Even though it's gold foil, sometimes I'm okay with mixing the foil colors. Usually I don't. I like to use just one foil color. Sometimes I'll mix it. Oh, here's some checklists for us. If we need a checklist, which I think we're good. This one's already lined. We could use one for our packing list over here, but it's already lined, so we don't need it. All right, rest and relax, do all the things. Habit trackers. Ooh, I'm trying to take vitamins every day this week. Let me grab one of these for tracking vitamins, and then I'll just write it in. So I might grab another little sticker from this book that we can use to label that one. I know there's a page. Here they are. And then I'm going to write vitamins on that. Okay, I want to show you a day of what it looks like after I write my notes in my planner, because people always ask, because I have so many stickers, how do I write in my notes? So I'm going to show you what I actually did on Monday and some of the notes that I wrote in my other planner so you can see what it looks like. And it starts off like this. It does have laundry, and I did do some laundry Monday. I was sick with a cold, and I always write those kind of notes in just because I want to know, like, why didn't I do certain things? Well, I was sick that day. So I'm going to put, that's what I wrote in my planner, sick with cold. And then I might put something cute like a sad face or an emoji or something. So I also had some travel that day, so I have that written in, travel. Travel, and that took up most of the day. So that was 9 to 2:30, and I usually write the times in. Also, I like to write in what I eat, or if I go somewhere to eat. So I was really bad on Monday because I was traveling, so I stopped at McDonald's. So I put that in there, and I know I was a bad girl for lunch that day. Then I took some rest time because I was still recovering from that cold. I watched a movie that night. So I'm going to grab this movie sticker and put it here. And then I'm going to write that in. So watch. And what I watched was Hidden Figures, and it was really good. So I'm going to put this little movie night sticker here. Ooh, not quite into the space because I need that space for my packing list. And I didn't quite put my notes exactly where my little dots are. So I can either move my dots or just ignore it. Sometimes it just really doesn't matter. I'm just going to move this over to here. And then I also watched some YouTube. So I'm going to put that in here too. Watch YouTube. So that's kind of what my notes look like. What else did I do? Oh, I did stop at Starbucks, so I usually write that in too, just because I want to track how many times I go. Yeah, too many. Okay, I filled in a few more of my plans so you can kind of see, like, if today were Monday night, this is what my week would look like. I would have filled everything out for Monday, used this left-hand side in some kind of way, hopefully taking my vitamins. I'm gonna go take them right now after this video. And then some of my plans are in here. I used some stickers to help prompt me. We've decorated. It's just so much fun. I hope you all enjoy it as much as I do. Make sure you're subscribed to watch new planning videos every single week. Check out the description box for lots of resources, and I hope you have a great year. If you want to learn more about planning and go a little bit more detail into decorative planning, goal setting, hand lettering, creative journaling, productivity, or planning 101, you'll definitely want to head over to the Planner School and check out those courses. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to watch new planning videos every week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!